Hello, welcome to a video on how to update your drivers and how to make your gaming experience much better than it already is. I'm doing this on a laptop or a notebook, as some people say, and my channel did get deleted at 500 subscribers, so I need your guys' help to help me reach my goal again. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first off, if you want to get the best experience out of your graphics card, you need to update your drivers every once in a while. Go to the NVIDIA site or the AMD site and just check if their graphics card have updated. This is really easy to do. It can scan your device and it will tell you what you have. AMD, it's a little less advanced. It's a lot harder, but as like Radeon graphics card would, and then you can look around and you can update them, which is much easier. And if you're having a hard time, just go to the support system. And another thing to help you out is putting your settings on something reasonable. Don't put it on high graphics, because then you're going to get lag, and once you get lag, then you're not going to be able to play any of your games. Make sure you check your task manager, which I'm going to be doing here, and make sure that there's not much things running in the background and stuff like that, so you can end tasks. So most of the time, there's not going to be much in the background unless you have a recording software or something like that, or anything like that. But make sure you have less stuff. So I would get rid of paint.net right now, because I don't need it open and I could start gaming and I wouldn't need paint.net. And that would help my performance of my actual thing. So I hope this video helped you, and I hope you guys can make your gaming experience much